Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of HALINA'T MATH-TUTO sa Dasmariñas North National High School. I am your teacher-lecturer, Ms. Roselvi Edro Solano. And today, we will discuss division of polynomials using synthetic division. Lesson objective: performs division of polynomials using synthetic division. You have learned from your previous lesson on how to divide polynomials using long division. Now, we will learn the steps on how to divide polynomials using synthetic division. Let's have our given polynomials. The quantity of 3x cubed plus 16x squared plus 19x minus 10 divided by the quantity of x plus 3. Procedure, step number 1. Write the numerical coefficients in one row. If there is a missing term, write 0 to represent the missing term. Solution, we will write all the numerical coefficients of the dividend. The numerical coefficient of x cubed is 3, of x squared is 16, of x is 19, and the constant term is negative 10. Then, we will get the test 0. We will get the test 0 by getting the divisor, which is x plus 3, and equate it to 0. The answer is negative 3. Write the test 0 at the left. Now, let's proceed to step number 2. Carry down the first number. The first number in the row is 3. And then, multiply 3 by test 0. So, 3 times negative 3 is equal to negative 9. Write the product, negative 9, to the second column. Next, step number 3. Add down the column. 16 plus negative 9 is equal to 7. Multiply the sum in the second column by negative 3. So, 7 times negative 3 is equal to negative 21. Write the product negative 21 on the third column. Let's have step number 4. Then add the third column. 19 plus negative 21 is negative 2. Multiply negative 2 to the test 0, which is negative 3. So, negative 2 times negative 3 is equal to 6. Again, write the product 6 on the fourth column, which is also the last column. Step number 5. Then add the result on the last column. Negative 10 plus 6 is equal to negative 4. So, the numerical coefficients 3, 7, negative 2 are the numerical coefficients of the quotient. If the last number is not 0, then there is a remainder. Therefore, negative 4 is the remainder. If there is remainder, it means that x plus 3 or the divisor is not one of the factors of the given polynomial. Take note that the dividend p of x is equal to 3x cubed plus 16x squared plus 19x minus 10. And the divisor d of x is equal to x plus 3. The third row that we obtain represents the numerical coefficients of the terms of the quotient. The numerical coefficients are 3, 7, negative 2. The rightmost number is the remainder. Therefore, negative 4 is the remainder. The degree to be used is 1 less than the degree of the dividend. We have to rewrite the numerical coefficients 3, 7, and negative 2 in the form of q of x. That is 3x squared. The degree of the dividend is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And that will be the degree of the quotient. Next, 7x or plus 7x minus 2. Now let's rewrite the polynomial function in this form. If p of x is the dividend, d of x is the divisor, q of x is the quotient, and r is the remainder, then p of x is equal to the quantity of d of x times the quantity of q of x plus r. So the final answer is the quantity of 3x cubed plus 16x squared plus 19x minus 10, the p of x, equals the quantity of x plus 3, the d of x, times the quantity of 3x squared plus 7x minus 2, the q of x, minus 4 as a remainder. Let's proceed to example number 2. The quantity of x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x plus 3 divided by the quantity of x plus 1. First, we have to write all the numerical coefficients of the given dividend. The numerical coefficient of x cubed is 1, of x squared is 3, of x is 5, and 3 is the constant term. Next, we have to get the test zero. We have to equate the divisor x plus 1 to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. The answer is negative 1. Write negative 1 at the left. Next step, we have to carry down the first number in the row. The first number in the row is 1. And then 1 will be multiplied to negative 1. 1 times negative 1 is equal to negative 1. The answer is negative 1. Write it on the second column. Then add the column. 3 plus negative 1 equals 2. 2 times negative 1, that's a 0. 2 times negative 1 is equal to negative 2. Write the answer negative 2 on the third column. And then add. 5 plus negative 2 is equal to 3. 3 times negative 1 is equal to negative 3. Then write negative 3 on the fourth column. Then add. 3 plus negative 3 is 0. So the numerical coefficients of the given quotients are 1, 2, and 3. And the most right number is 0. It means that there is no remainder. We write the given numerical coefficients in the form of q of x. So 1 or x squared plus 2x plus 3. Take note that p of x is equal to the quantity of x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x plus 3. And d of x is equal to x plus 1. Then we have to rewrite in this final answer the quantity of x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x plus 3 is equal to the quantity of x plus 1 times the quantity of x squared plus 2x plus 3. To divide polynomials using synthetic division, we have to remember the following steps. Number 1, write the numerical coefficient in one row. If there is a missing term, write 0 to represent that missing term. Write the test 0 at the left. Number 2, carry down the first number, multiply by test 0, and add to the second column. Number 3, add down the column, now multiply the sum in the second column. Number 4, write the product on the third column, then add. Repeat the steps for the next column. And number 5, add the result to the next column until you reach the last column. And that will be all for today's episode. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in our YouTube channel so you will be updated with our latest video tutorials in HALINA'T MATH-TUTO.